Hey, this is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to make a going live notification for Discord. I often get notifications for streams on my phone via the Twitch mobile app, but not everyone does that. Some people are at their computer and have Discord open, and so that notification will let them know that you've started streaming. Okay. Also, I do want to put in a little caveat here that you might notice that the bot behind me in my Discord is not Mix It Up. It is Streamcord. I have tried using Mix It Up and it works, but it, in my past experience, has come up like 15-20 minutes later, whereas Streamcord comes out like in a minute after you like start streaming. So that's why I chose Streamcord. But if you still like to know how to set up a going live notification with Mix It Up, then I will still show you how. But otherwise, go look at Streamcord. Okay, let me close this. Let's go to Mix It Up. Let's make sure we're on the same version. So I'm on version 1.2.0.12. Okay, so we'll go to the top left for the menu, click on events, go to Twitch channel stream starts. Assuming that you were talking about Twitch. If you want to do it for YouTube, then you would use this, or there's Trovo, whatever else you would do it under generic channel stream start. Okay, so let's assume we're talking about Twitch. So Twitch channel stream started. Where are you? Right here. Okay. Click on the pencil. If you already made a command for it. If not, it'll say add command. Oh, before I tell you any of this, by the way, you need to make sure that you go to services, look for Discord, and make sure you're logged into Discord via Mix It Up so that it can read all the channels that are in your Discord server. Okay. All right. Now, having said that, let's go back to the Twitch channel stream started event. So events, Twitch channel stream start, and then click on the action drop down, click on Discord, add it. I'm going to select send message. And then for channel, select wherever your going live messages will go. For me, I call announcements. Now, something I like to do in Discord is I let people select their role. So I have something called react roles. If you don't know what those are, go to YouTube, just type in Discord reaction roles. And basically what it allows people to do is they can react to this to be like, to know when I'm going live. Whereas some people will type in at everyone, and that's bad because you could lose members of your server by doing that, because people are in a lot of servers and people get a lot of notifications. Very timely that my phone went off right now. And so the more you're notifying them, the more you're going to wear them out and make them not want to be in your server, or just mute it altogether. And so that's why I have a live role. Okay. So to send your message with the live role, you actually have to provide the ID for your role and not the like just like at live. Now to find the ID, you will right click on your server, go to server settings, go to roles, look for the role that you want the ID for. We're going to right click it, copy role ID. And then where my role ID is right here, that is where you put your role ID. So I have angle brackets on both sides, opening and closing, then ampersand, the role ID, and then $ user stream title will get whatever title you provided for your current stream. Then I have $ line break, so that'll make it go to the next line. And then I have $ stream user URL, and that'll provide the URL for your stream. And that's it. That is all you have to do to show a going live notification in your channel, so people know that you're going live. As I said, I use StreamCord because it's faster, but if you would like to have less bots, look to consolidate your bots, then just use Mixitup. But yeah, in my experience, it was slower. But if that's changed, please let me know, and that'll be great. And then I'll start using Mixitup for going live notifications again. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about Mixitup, Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And thank you for watching. All right.